Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's security tip: should your laptop be encrypted? It's just another Tuesday on your way to work and you stop by your favorite busy coffee shop to get your caffeine fix. You set your tablet down to add the cream, and when you turn your back, it's gone. It's nowhere in sight, nor is the thief who stole it. If you have a password on your laptop, it will slow the thief down. But what it doesn't stop is someone removing the hard drive, connecting it to another computer to get access to all your files, password, and email. So how to protect your files? You encrypt them with the drive encrypted. A thief can't just pull it out, hook it up, and suddenly have access to all your files. This is especially important if you hold or have access to medical records, credit card information, or other sensitive data. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.